Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn how we can create a Net Promoter Score or NPS test with the Survey Maker plugin. The Net Promoter Score is a metric that measures the customer's loyalty and satisfaction. The NPS survey categorizes respondents into three categories. The first one is promoters, the second one is passives, and the third one is detractors. The main question of the Net Promoter Score is that how likely your users are to recommend your product, your service, or your company to their friends or colleagues. So in the given example, you can see the question where the users can choose the number in the linear scale from 0 to 10. So let's choose 10 here. Also here I have various questions so that the users can ask and you will gather the needed information based on it. So now let's go and see how it works on the Survey Maker plugin. So as I said previously, the most important point here is to categorize your users into three categories. So for that, all we need to do is to go to the Survey Maker plugin, which is already installed and activated on my dashboard, and move to the submission submenu where we can see the submission of the given survey. So here it is. Let's click on it. And here you can see that we have the exact numbers of the answers. So the 33% of the users are dictators, 67% is passive, and 0% is promoters. So here's the main data that is important for the NPS survey. So now let's go and see how we can create the exact survey together. For that, we'll need to move to the Service tab. So here you can see that I've already created an example to save our time, but you know that for creating a new survey, all you need to do is to click on the Add New button. But now let's go back to our example and see what should we do for creating an NPS survey together. So here we are. Here's our survey. I've already added the questions here, separated them into sections, but the most important question is missing here. So let's create it together. For creating a new question, we'll need to click on the Add Question button and here write the needed question. In this case, in case of creating an NPS survey, we'll need to write the question that will ask the users how likely they are to recommend our products, service, and so on to their friends or colleagues. So here is my question already added, but here you can see that we'll need to choose the Net Promoter Score question type available in the Survey Maker plugin. And now the users will be able to choose in the linear scale from 0 to 10 how likely they are to recommend anything you offer to their friends or colleagues. So with these simple steps, you are ready to create an NPS survey and make the quality of your product even better.